So I have added a couple of nodes within the Sumatras Studio Tools plugin for Unreal Engine 5 that you can use to control Resolume over HTTP. Of course, Resolume can also be controlled over OSC. I have a different tutorial how to send OSC messages from Unreal Engine, but these couple of nodes are using HTTP. So if you go to Arena, Preferences, you go to Webserver, you need to make sure that you enable the Webserver and REST API, and make sure that you note this IP address. That's the local network address. So first let's just add a couple of sources, just for shits and giggles. And if you know how Resolume works, you are seeing what I'm doing. So now let's create an actor within Unreal Engine. Call this Resolume control. We're gonna drag it into our level. So when we hit play, it executes whatever is in the actor. We're gonna double click, go to event graph, and now we're gonna search for Resolume. So we can do a clear Resolume Arena layer at the moment, trigger Resolume Arena clip, or trigger Resolume Arena column. So let's start with the column. We're gonna fill in the IP that we just noted down. We're gonna fill in the port 8080, and we're gonna fill in the column. So let's trigger column 2 in this instance. Event begin play, compile, save, and if we hit play, it will trigger column 2. We can do the same with the trigger clip, only just to trigger a single clip. So trigger Resolume Arena clip. I'm gonna fill it in. I could have made this into variables to make it easier, but 168.1.131. I'm gonna go to port 8080, and let's trigger column 3, layer 3. So now compile, save. If we hit play, it will play this clip. And if we want to clear a layer, so for instance, I want to stop all the clips that are on layer 2, we're just gonna do the clear Resolume Arena layer. I'm gonna do the same again. Port 8080, and we're gonna clear everything on layer 2. So now if we compile, play, you will see that all the clips on layer 2 are stopped. And that's the 3 nodes within the Sumatras Studio Tools plugin to control Resolume over HTTP.